Come here, buddy. Come here. He likes this. Yeah. There you go. That's what he was doing this weekend. He likes this. He sits right there, you know.
Oh yeah, he's a big mush. I say he's a mountain dog, but he also has a
German Shepherd now. Huh? German Shepherd?
Come on, go get it.
Stop there.
Logan. Who's that?
don't even know you have symptoms. You just all of a sudden got getting really sick. Like, just get infected for a while. Like, wow. Really? It's not going away, huh? How's your back? Fuzzy now? You need it, right? They say that all goes right up. Getting bit probably doesn't do much for being the helper.
I don't know whether Ray gave me a headache or if it's
He's chilling.
He's fine.